Hey traders, Philip Tigerson here from Stock Market Strategy. Before I start, I just want to say that trading involves risk and hard work, so please do your own due diligence before trading for real money. Today I'm going to talk about Keltner channels. I will give you some background information about Keltner channels and then show you some charts what this indicator is about. Finally, I will give you some ideas how to trade using Keltner channels in conjunction with other indicators and or chart analysis. If you go to our website www.stock-market-strategy.com, you'll find a tab called Education, Technical Analysis and Keltner Channels. Here you'll find a written summary including a chart showing you how to use Keltner channels. This is made to make it easy for you to keep track of the information. You might even print this page out so you can have it in front of you writing your trading plan or back testing the ideas shown here. Keltner channels were first introduced by Chester W. Keltner in his book How to Make Money in Commodities, and have since then evolved into what we use today. Don't get fooled by the title in the book. This indicator can be used on any market such as stocks, forex or any other instrument that you may want to trade. It's a little similar to Bollinger Bands, but calculated by using an average true range and a simple moving average, which is also called midpoint. This is what we call the midpoint. This means that the upper and lower bands follow each other like an envelope around price. You see both of them moving down here and both of them moving up and down. What length to choose? I've chosen a 20 moving average. It's the default settings, but you might want to choose a 10 moving average. You have to back test and forward test to see what length gives you the best result. Because the Keltner channel works like an envelope around price, we can consider that a move to the upper band as overbought and a move to the lower band as oversold. So how can we trade this? Well, first, identify sideways market. We do that by looking at the MA and waiting for relative flat MA. Then we also want to see price oscillates around the MA. Second, we want to identify moves up to the upper band for overbought signals and move down to the lower band for oversold signals. And third, we want to see a price bar close outside the Keltner channel and then inside again. That's your entry, and your target is at the opposite side of the Keltner channel. Here you're getting another signal, and we have a close outside and then we got a close inside the Keltner channel, and our target is at the opposite side of the Keltner channel. Again you have a setup here. We've got a close outside happening on this bar first, not this bar, but this bar. Then we got a close inside. That's your entry, and your exit is at the opposite side of the Keltner. Over here we have a bar closing outside Keltner channel and then inside again. This is not an entry because we have still not seen a flattening MA, and we have not seen the price oscillates around the MA. So at this time we don't have the right market conditions for this setup, the sideways market. Okay, you've seen how to use Keltner channels in sideways market, but how do we do it when we have a trending market? I like to trade with the trend if the strength of the trend is strong enough, and Keltner channel helped me determine whether the trend is strong enough. First, I of course have to identify the trend. I see that my MA is upsloping, so the trend is up. Second, I will be looking for multiple closes and higher highs outside the Keltner channel. This helps me determine the strength of the trend. And third, I'll be looking for a signal. In this case, it's a flag. I got a close outside the flag, and that's my entry. If you look at this high over here or this low, you can see that we get rejection at the Keltner channel. And we also get a rejection up here and back into it again. It's very important to be able to see the difference between this or this. Here we get multiple closes and high highs outside the Keltner channel. And then you can look for your signal. Don't confuse this with this over here. This ends today's video. I hope you enjoyed it.